There's a big bolt and a metal sheet. So drop your keys, grab something else. I'm gonna grab that, okay?
Alright.
Or you can grab them.
I grabbed the other things.
Alright, I'll grab the engine.
Uh-oh.
Huh? That was probably Dalton.
Yeah.
Oh, damn it.
What?
Slime.
Oh, yeah, that was just us.
I found it was Dalton.
Was that the way we went?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Pro.
Nice. Alright, it's almost in. Alright, come on.
Okay.
Oh crap, I got caught on the Alright, we're good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I came right out of that then. Shit. There's a spider around here.
I'm ready. I don't think this is the way we went. Whoa.
Is it not the way we went?
Oh, Dalton's opening and closing doors.
Alright. Oh, that was door B3 we passed, which is something that we looked at beforehand. Found it.
Okay.
Alright. Here's the exit. Just go to it.
Alright, not too bad.
Good job.
I'm gonna be slow though, because I don't... This fall damage won't kill me, right?
The white noise from my mic.
Should we grab the body? You know where it is?
He's dead. He's dead as fuck.
Where's the body?
He's in
Where's
front of
body?
the fucking ship.
I'll get it.
Oh my god. Pull it. He had so much good stuff with it. Damn it. Whatever.
Oh, what happened to the items?
He dropped them.
But where?
Out there.
I would have gotten it.
Well, you pulled it already.
You told me to pull it.
Whatever.